check engine light. So what does check engine light mean? It's simply telling you a message: check your vehicle, check the engine. Definitely when it started around 1996, where onboard diagnostic system was introduced to all brands of cars, basically a lot of the faults usually appears in the engine. But currently, check engine light talks about more than the engine. It talks about all parts of the vehicle, from the suspension to the motortronics, to the lightings, the door, the transmission, the powertrain in general, and every other part of the vehicle. So when you see this site, do well to contact your mechanic and perform a diagnostic test. And with that test, you can have more information on the cost and then remedy the situation.